We will now learn how to use the View Configuration panel to control the visibility and appearance of layers, objects, and additional features in the PCB editor. Oftentimes, we may want to show or hide specific layers to make it easier to work within our PCB design. Let's have a look at the configuration of layers and system colors. Let's open the View Configuration panel by clicking on the panel's button in the lower right corner. Then, select View Configuration. We can also use the L shortcut key. We will see the View Configuration panel with Layers and Colors tab. In the Layers and Colors tab, we can control the visibility of available layers and add, rename, or delete mechanical layers. The top area, called Layers, includes the layers within the PCB, component layers, mechanical layers, and any other system-managed layers such as keep-out layers, drill drawing layers, etc. We can display, create, save, or delete layer sets, change the active layer, and finally import or export existing layer set files from other projects. Below this, we find the system colors. In this area, we use these controls to configure the color and visibility of special system display features, such as pad holes, the origin marker, and DRC errors. We can enable or disable the visibility for different layers by clicking on the icon next to the layer color and name. Further, we can click on a color box to change the color of a particular layer. Now let's locate and select the View Options tab right next to the Layers and Colors tab. In the General Settings area, we can manually switch between 2D and 3D mode, as well as single layer mode. The shortcut keys for these are shown along the right side. We can also load, save, or delete custom view configurations. Below this, we can also choose whether or not to display the grid and set its color. Under Object Visibility, we can hide any specific type of object. For example, let's click on the eye icon for polygons to hide the polygons. Keep in mind that although the polygons, or any other object we decide to hide, are not visible while hidden, they will still affect the design. They are still considered objects and obstacles for other features, such as interactive routing. In the example of polygons, if we prefer to temporarily disregard them from our design, go to the Tools menu, Polygons Pores, and select Shelve Polygons. We can enable the polygon visibility again under Object Visibility by clicking on the eye icon for polygons. To change the transparency of objects, we can adjust the slider under the Transparency column. We can also do this manually by changing the percentage value of transparency beside the slider. To revert to the default configuration, we can select Altium Standard 2D from the configuration drop-down list. Please note that changing the configuration back to Altium Standard 2D will not revert any changes that we've made to any layer colors. Also within the View Options tab, we have Mask and Dim settings. To help manage the display of the large number of objects that can exist even in a simple PCB design, the PCB editor has the ability to fade objects that are not of interest. Below this, we have additional options for displaying specific information such as test pad information on pads or vias, status info, net names on pads, pad numbers on pads, and many more. Simply select the button to enable or disable the display of the items. In this video, we have learned how to customize the display by enabling or disabling layers, changing colors, and adjusting the transparency of objects.